Etong Aston Martin phone ni Realme, yung GT7, is already very slim for a phone with a 7,000 mAh capacity. But take a look at this. This is even slimmer. Ito yung upcoming na Realme 15 Pro, and I think this will change the game forever sa mga mid-rangers with big battery capacity. Kasi pwede pala to. Pwede yung gantong form factor na sobrang nipis pero substantial yung battery. Actually, sobrang laki ng 7,000 mAh, and sigurado ako at least 2 days battery life to on a single charge. I will be exploring it pa lang, so stay tuned na lang for more info.